When setting up services to sell to subscribers, it's important to understand that there are 4 key parts to every service you create in Vision. These services are made up of a service item, a service package, a service area, and a service offer. Each of these layers plays a specific role, and together, they determine exactly what a subscriber can purchase based on their physical address. This applies whether the subscriber is browsing online or speaking directly with a representative. The service item and package define what is being sold, covering the type of service and the speed that comes with it. The service area and offer define both where the service is available and who it's intended for, whether that's a residential customer or a business account. Setting up a service item is the first step in creating something you'll offer to subscribers. It can represent physical assets like hardware and equipment, or logical ones like circuits and services. Service items can also help gauge subscriber interest in new or future offerings. These items are then combined to create a service package. To add a service item in Vision, click the floating action button in the lower right corner. Start by entering the item's attributes, including whether it's a service fee or an installation charge. You'll also enter the item name, description, category, and service location. The service location links the item to another part of the Vision database. For example, a service connection would link to the parent circuit database, while equipment, like a router, would connect to the hardware database. Next, you'll need to select the appropriate tax item type. This field links directly to Vision's built-in tax database, which integrates with CCH Data by Wolters Kluwer. For instance, a voice service might be listed as Interconnected VoIP, Fixed Basic Service Charges. Since tax designations can affect reporting, billing, and compliance, it's a good idea to confirm this with your accountant. If the item you're setting up is a fiber or wireless service, be sure to enter the correct regulatory and provisioning details based on the hardware you're using. Once everything is in place, click Add Service Item to finalize it. Service packages consist of one or more service items that are bundled together. These packages are what subscribers see as available service offers in the public-facing shopping cart. When you begin setting up a package, you'll define a few important attributes, including the installation time, the contract term, and the workflow that should be triggered when it's selected. For broadband services, be sure to name the package based on its expected speed. You'll also need to include any installation or equipment items, even if they don't carry a charge. This allows Vision to properly link hardware to the package. Once those details are filled out, you'll select one or more service items to include and assign prices for each of them. After that, decide whether quantity adjustments are allowed and how much payment, if any, should be collected during the sale. Always start in development mode. Once a package is switched to production, changes are locked. Because Vision is a location-based platform, the physical location of the subscriber is a critical factor in determining what services are available. The service area and service offer work hand in hand to define which service packages can be sold based on the subscriber's address. A service area in Vision is a geographic shape created and managed by the provider that outlines where specific services are available. This shape acts as a boundary that tells Vision what offers to present and where. When configured correctly, any address point inside that shape will display the right service options, either in the internal sales tools or in the public shopping cart. This ensures the subscriber is only shown services that are actually available at their location. To create a new service area, you can upload a KML shapefile. Or if that's not available, draw a shape directly using the integrated Google Maps tool inside Vision. Each service area requires a name, a brief description, and a designation for its type and current status. Names can reflect a city, neighborhood, or specific coverage area, such as a fiber-fed zone or a new wireless expansion. The type and status help communicate important context, such as where construction is underway, what stage a build-out is in, or where new services may launch. As your network grows and changes, service areas can be updated easily by uploading a new shape or dragging points to refine coverage. Keeping service areas accurate ensures your offerings stay aligned with real-world availability, so subscribers see the right services every time. In Vision, Service offers serve as the connection between your service packages and the areas where those packages can be sold. These offers are what populate the internal shopping tools and the public-facing cart that subscribers see online. When a subscriber enters their service address, Vision looks at the configured service offers to determine what packages are available in that location. To create a new offer, start by entering the offer's key attributes. It's best practice to include both the service speed and type in the name, such as 250 megabits per second wireless or 1 gigabit fiber. Each offer is tied to a specific subscriber type, like residential or business. You'll also want to set the start and end dates, especially if the offer is time-limited or part of a promotional campaign. Once attributes are filled in, you'll choose whether to pin the offer to the top of the shopping cart or make it visible to the public. Then, link the offer to the correct service package. Finally, assign one or more service areas that define where the offer can appear. You can also apply categories, such as voice, internet bundles, or interest-based options, to keep your offers easy to navigate and well organized. The way you structure services in Vision gives your company full control over what's available and where. It ensures that sales agents are confident the prices and technology they're offering match the subscriber's actual location. That way, you're not selling fiber in a fixed wireless zone, or the other way around. You can also define different pricing for different areas, so agents only offer what's valid in their specific market. With the right setup, Vision helps prevent mistakes and improves both customer experience and operational efficiency. If you have questions while setting up your services in Vision, visit our online support center or reach out to our support team for help.